Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to prove this equation, right? So let's write what is gamma x. It is gamma x equals integral from 0 to infinity t to the x minus 1 e to the minus t dt, right? This is gamma function, so I need to find gamma 1 or 2, right? So x equals 1 or 2, right? So gamma 1 over 2 equals integral from 0 to infinity t to the 1 over 2 minus 1 e to the minus t dt, right? So this is minus half, right? So this is 0 to infinity e to the minus t over t to the 1 over 2 dt, right? Now I am going to take a substitution like t to the 1 over 2 equals to u, right? So t equals u square, so dt equals 2u du, right? So when t goes to 0, u goes to 0, right? When t goes to infinity, u also goes to infinity, right? So I can write this integral as 0 to infinity e to the minus t square over t half is u, sorry, this is u square, right? Here t is u square, so over u times 2u du, right? So u to u cancels out, so this is 2 times 0 to infinity e to the minus u du, right? Now I am going to write this as gamma half equals integral from 0 to infinity 2 times e to the minus u square du, right? Okay. Let's consider this graph. This is u, this is a function of u, right? So let's say this is eu square, e to the minus u square. The graph of this is like this. This is symmetric, right? Okay, this is the graph. So here I am considering only 0 to infinity, right? So here I am only considering this part, right? But this and this are symmetric, right? So if I say this is integral I1, this is integral I2, so integral is this area, right? This area, right? So I1 and I2 equals, right? I1 equals I2. So I1 plus I2, which is minus infinity to infinity e to the minus u square du, right? This equals to what? 2i, right? I means this integral, right? This integral. So this is what? This is Gaussian integral, right? Gaussian integral. So we know that this is root 5 over 2, right? This is root 5 over 2. So sorry, this is root 5, right? This is root 5, right? So Gaussian integral is root 5, so this equals to 2i, right? So I equals to root 5 over 2, right? So this is root 5 over 2. Then what? Then gamma 1 over 2 equals 2 times root 5 over 2, which is equals to gamma 1 over 2 equals to root 5. So this is the proof, right? I have already done a video proving this integral. I will also add that to the description, right? So I hope you guys understood what I did in this question. So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.